Alright guys, welcome to another video. This is the introduction to this video, obviously. However, it is actually like days after I shot the video because I went to go edit it and apparently I did not even shoot an intro, if that makes any sense whatsoever. But anyway, today we're going to be installing some LED interior lights on my 2013 WRX. I just bought a kit off of Amazon, which I'll link in the description. And it was the dome light overhead, the overhead light in the back hatch, the lower light in the back hatch, and the two license plate lights, which I didn't know that, and I actually have one out. So I think I need to replace the housing, which I might buy full LED housings, but that'll be another video. So anyway, let me show you the pack that it came in. So this is the pack. These are all the old lights I took out. They look kind of like that, but they got LEDs in the middle, obviously, and it's super easy. You'll see it in the video, but super easy install. I don't think I mentioned in the video, I was having trouble at first because I just popped them up in there, and then it hit me that you got to make sure you have them turned the right way. So if you put it in and it's not working, flip it around and it'll work. They're not broken. It got me a few times. But yeah, so let's go ahead and get right into the video. Okay guys, so you can see on this first one, there's these little tabs here. So all we're gonna do is use our tool. Maybe use a flathead screwdriver because our tool kind of just bent because it's a little big to get in there. Back here, I don't really see one, so we're just gonna try to get up under there and do that one. Okay, so one stupid issue I was having there was I put it in the wrong way. I thought it wasn't working, but I forgot that LEDs, you gotta have the continuity is different. So just make sure that you check that when you're putting these in. Let me show you guys how these actually go in. So you can see there's two little tabs here on each side, and this light just presses up in between those tabs. So very easy. The fronts were the same. Then we can pop our cover back on. Okay guys, that was it. Very simple. All you do is just pry your covers off, pull your bulb out, and put your other bulb back in. I will go ahead and show you what it looks like at nighttime, just to show actually how bright they are. All right guys, it is nighttime. Kind of hard to tell because my lights, but let's take a look. You can already tell that it's much brighter in there, and it's just that one for now. So if we turn these on, very nice. I love that. Let's go around back and open the hatch and see what that looks like. The one little light in there. That light, kind of hard to tell because all these, my garage lights are on, but oh well, you can tell how bright that is. And then, like I said, this one's not working right now, but those are only on if the car's on. And I don't feel like starting it right now. But, so yeah, don't forget about those two, because I had 2 extra lights left. And I had no clue what those were for.